A landmark ruling, challenging the status quo. The Kerala High Court recently made a significant observation that has the potential to reshape our understanding of workplace justice. They pointed out a concerning issue with reports from internal complaints committees, or ICCs, which are often the first line of defense against workplace harassment. These reports often form the basis for sexual harassment cases, influencing the outcomes and lives of many individuals. The court, however, expressed concerns about potential biases within these reports, which could undermine the integrity of the entire process. This landmark ruling has sparked a crucial conversation about fairness and justice in such sensitive matters, urging us to reevaluate our current systems. This observation is not just a legal technicality, it is a call to action for more rigorous standards. It strikes at the heart of how we address sexual harassment in the workplace, emphasizing the need for transparency and accountability. The court's statement underscores the need for a more nuanced and cautious approach, ensuring that justice is not only done, but seen to be done. We must ensure that every voice is truly heard and every investigation is genuinely impartial, fostering a safer and more equitable work environment for all. The role of ICC, a balancing act. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal, Act 2013, mandates the formation of ICCs in workplaces. These internal complaints committees are essential in ensuring that workplaces remain safe and respectful environments for all employees. These committees play a crucial role. They receive complaints, conduct inquiries, and ensure that every complaint is taken seriously and investigated thoroughly. They recommend actions against the accused, which can range from warnings to termination, depending on the severity of the case. The ICC is tasked with creating a safe space for victims to come forward. This safe space is crucial for encouraging victims to speak up without fear of retaliation or judgment. Their role is to ensure a fair and impartial process for both the complainant and the respondent. This balance is vital to maintain trust in the system and ensure justice is served. However, the court's observation highlights a critical challenge. The effectiveness of the ICC can be compromised by various factors. The ICC operates within the existing power structures of an organization. This means they must navigate complex hierarchies and power dynamics. This can sometimes lead to conflicts of interest, especially when senior or influential employees are involved. Ensuring impartiality in such cases is a significant challenge that the ICC must address to maintain its credibility and effectiveness. Unveiling potential biases, power dynamics at play. The Kerala High Court's observation brings to light a crucial concern: the potential for bias in ICC reports. These reports are critical in ensuring justice within organizations, but their integrity can be compromised. While these committees are meant to be impartial, they can be influenced by internal power dynamics. The very structure of an organization can sometimes create an environment where impartiality is difficult to maintain. Senior employees or those with significant influence within an organization may directly or indirectly sway the ICC's findings. Their positions of power can create an unspoken pressure that affects the committee's decisions. This can lead to situations where the victim's voice is silenced and justice is denied. The fear of retaliation or being ostracized can prevent victims from coming forward. The court's observation emphasizes the need for greater scrutiny of ICC proceedings. It highlights the importance of transparency and accountability in these processes. It calls for mechanisms to ensure that these committees remain truly independent and objective in their investigations. Only through such measures can we hope to achieve fair and just outcomes for all parties involved. Beyond the ICC report, a call for impartiality. The Kerala High Court's ruling is crystal clear. An ICC report should not be the final word in sexual harassment cases. While these reports provide valuable insights, they must be treated as preliminary findings. They should not preclude a thorough and independent investigation by law enforcement agencies. This approach ensures that cases are investigated without any preconceived notions or biases stemming from the workplace environment. It allows for a more comprehensive and objective assessment of the evidence, leading to fairer outcomes. Towards a fairer future, ensuring justice and dignity. The Kerala High Court's observation is a wake-up call. It underscores the need for robust mechanisms to address sexual harassment. We must strive for a system where victims feel empowered to speak up, knowing their voices will be heard and justice will be served. This ruling is a significant step towards that goal. By emphasizing the importance of independent investigations, it paves the way for a fairer and more equitable workplace for everyone. It reminds us that everyone deserves a workplace free from harassment and discrimination.